Home chefs and foodies can now quickly create an unlimited variety of food prep options with the Cuisinart Stainless Steel 13-cup food processor. The touchpad controls allow you to easily puree soup, chop herbs and nuts, slice fruits and vegetables, shred cheese, and more. Use the dough blade to create delicious homemade bread and pizza dough in minutes. This stainless steel Cuisinart food processor comes equipped with a 13-cup work bowl, a 4.5-cup nesting work bowl, and a convenient space-saving locking storage case, which safely houses all of your accessories. The Cuisinart Stainless Steel 13-cup food processor has a seal-tight advantage system that seals the bowl at the top, allowing for maximum bowl capacity usage. And together with the patented blade lock feature, which keeps the blade in place and seals the bottom of the bowl, allows for ease in processing, pouring, lifting, and handling. The Supreme wide-mouth feed tube accommodates whole fruits and vegetables. The adjustable slicing disc goes from thin at 1 millimeter and ranges up to extra thick at 7 millimeters. And the reversible shredding disc shreds veggies from fine to medium consistency. It's easy to clean, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. With other accessories available separately, such as the dicing and spiralizing kits, you can create even more delicious dishes. Speed up your prep time and create more meals in less time with the Cuisinart Stainless Steel 13-cup food processor.